Hi, my name's Clarissa and welcome to Brisbane Family Law Centre. Mediation is a cooperative decision-making process where an impartial and qualified mediator helps separating couples to try and resolve their legal differences.
Hi, I'm Jodie. I've worked with the Brisbane Family Law Centre to get through my divorce in a very successful and positive outcome.
Mediation is regularly used to resolve both parenting and financial aspects of a separation for a couple.
The best thing about it was that we were still in control of the process. That made it the most successful.
Most of our clients choose mediation because it is quite a cooperative and easy process to be involved in comparison to, say, the litigation process.
My name's Peter and I'm a psychologist, but I also am involved in a lot of mediations with legal practitioners. I take a mediator's role, but I also take a child specialist role. My role within that process is to provide specialist help and support to keep parties and parents focused on issues around their children. What I would do initially would be to arrange to see both parents and get some background information and, as I said, explore their concerns. Look at what they're hoping to achieve through the mediation.
I could talk very openly with the mediator, and I found that really good because, to start the process off, it's really quite daunting. It's hard enough going through divorce as it is without having to then go through this other piece of, I've got to negotiate. And when the other side doesn't want to negotiate, I found this a really easy way to bring it all to the table.
I would say that the three main advantages of a mediation process for couples are that they can minimise the legal fees involved in resolving their legal issues. They can be in a safe, well-supported environment where they can choose how their process or how their day might work. And most importantly, they have complete control over the outcome.
You've got the ability to be able to negotiate, compromise. You've got the benefits of specialist advice from a mediator.
The best part about the mediation is that we were able to get an outcome on the day. So it didn't stretch out the process any further. It had already been going on for quite some time. And the best part was I was able to actually walk out of the mediation process with a firm answer. And it was such a relief.
Mediation for my clients has around a 90% success rate. Success for me is a client walking away with obviously an outcome that they're comfortable with that resolves their legal issues.
Anyone who actually wants to get an answer, who wants to make it a really positive experience and still in reasonable terms be able to speak to their ex-partner and make it very easy, I highly recommend the mediation process.
If the legal issues that you and your partner need to resolve relate to your children, then we strongly suggest that you consider participating in a child-inclusive mediation process. One of the most significant advantages of this process is that you will be able to get independent feedback about how your children are coping and use the expertise of a child psychologist to get feedback to your whole family about what might be the best parenting arrangements for your children moving forward.
What tends to happen is you defend when you're under stress. And that makes it very difficult to effectively problem solve, particularly when you're considering the needs of others, because you will automatically tend to consider your own needs. And that's where you need professional help to open yourself up to considering the needs of your kids and how you're going to do the best for them, to keep you focused on an outcome that allows you to be able to say in the future, I did the very best I could for my children at that time. And I think mediation is a process that really helps people to come to that point where they feel they've done that.
When you attend at mediation, be ready to make and consider settlement proposals, but most importantly, keep an open mind, be flexible and be ready to compromise.
The biggest thing is definitely talk to your lawyer. Clarissa for me was fantastic. She supported me through the whole process. She talked me through step by step of what would happen, how it goes, what is the process, and if it doesn't work out in mediation, then what are the next steps.
If you or your family are considering participating in mediation and you have legal issues that you need to solve as a result of the breakdown of your relationship, then we do encourage you to make an appointment.